My name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there is more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Our video on today, it's time to open my favorite box. Y'all know it's Curlbox time. So we are going to jump right into our Curlbox. And for those of you who are not familiar with Curlbox, I will leave all the details down below so that you can become a part of the Curlbox family, okay? Now, when we open up our box, the first thing we receive is our description card for the month of November, okay? This one is beautiful, as with all of them. Every single one has been beautiful. And this one is called Luxury Haircare. And it says in our letter from the editor, high quality ingredients meet maximum results in this luxe box. This month, we're giving you one and only ARGAN collection, a line that saturates strands with argan oil, a coveted Moroccan nut oil. Replenish your hair's health with this exotic treat. Okay, so in addition to our look at this hair. Look at this hair. Look at this. Do y'all see this style? Beautiful. Okay, and we have coupon codes. Okay, it's now available on Amazon. So there is a 30% off coupon for Amazon and for Sally's as well. Okay. Then, of course, our Curlbox card, so that it lets you know how to show off your do that you create from what you receive in the Curlbox. All right, so let's just go in and see what was in this month's Curlbox. Okay, so the first item that we have is the Moisture Repair Shampoo. This is what the bottle looks like. Okay. And this one says, formulated with argan oil and acai collagen to combat signs of aging hair in a sulfate, phosphate, and paraben-free formula. Hydrates and restores moisture levels, improving overall health and appearance of the hair. Helps repair and strengthen dry, damaged hair. Adds volume and improves shine and manageability. Okay? And it even helps protect the hair color for those of us who have color-treated hair. Okay, and this is a full 12-ounce size bottle. So this is the first item. The second one we have is the Moisture Repair Conditioner. This one helps detangle, reconstruct, and strengthen the hair while hydrating and replenishing moisture levels. Helps condition and smooth the hair, improving shine and manageability as well. And this too is a 12-ounce size. I just want to see. Oh, okay. Now, this one has, I don't know how you can have a creamy kind of smell, but for some reason, that's what I associate this with when I smell it. And it's very, very thick. Very thick. Can you see that? Very thick. So that is item number 2. Then item number 3 is the Strengthening Restorative Mask. Okay. And this one says intense treatment that penetrates the cuticle to help reconstruct, repair, and strengthen the hair while restoring elasticity. Helps reverse damage from heat, stress, and chemical or color treatments. Formulated to hydrate, moisturize, and improve texture and manageability. Leaves your hair healthy looking with incredible shine. Okay, this one is an 8.5 ounce size. Okay, then the next one is the Defining Curl Cream. All right, and let's see what this one says. This leave-in conditioning cream defines and enhances curly hair, delivering added texture and hold. Leaves curls strong and bouncy, provides instant hydration without sticky residue. Okay, and it also enhances shine. This one is a 9.8 ounce size. Then the last item is an argan oil treatment. Okay, and let's see what this has to say. Absorbs instantly, creating brilliant shine, and it helps smooth and strengthen. Okay, and it eliminates frizz. And it can be used on wet or dry hair. And this one is a 3.4 ounce size. This is pretty amazing. This is pretty amazing. Now, I would love for this one to be what I was going to use next, but I'm about to braid up these tresses for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna have to come back to this one, but I'm very excited to try it. I definitely am. This one smells good too. Ooh. My locks will smell super clean. Yes, that's good stuff. Okay, now this is something that I really like. The Define Cream has a pump on it as well as the restorative mask. Okay, so those are the ones that we can just leave sitting out and use on a daily basis. Okay, now I'm excited to try it, just not yet, but soon. So what I will do though, I'm going to go in and I'm going to check the price of each of these items. I will give you a full box total for everything that is here. Let me tell you something, Curlbox is my absolute favorite. And guess what? The wait list opens up on the 28th. Make sure that you are online at 9 o'clock so that you can become a part of the Curlbox family. There is also a non-subscription box. It is a little bit more. I just can't tell you what it is yet. I received mine before they even updated it on the site. So just be on the lookout. Make sure you're checking out social media to see what you can find out and when it will be available for us, okay? So these are the items that are included in this month's Curl Box. Down below, you will see the manufacturer suggested retail price of all the items that are enclosed. Now, I do appreciate and thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. This is a new product for me. This isn't something that I heard of before. So I hope that I have introduced you as well to something that you may not have known about before, okay? As well as the opportunity to check out Curlbox. Now, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.